Man, the McLaren might be the last time y'all see it. Getting you ready for that 2025 Arnold Classic.
I was done with it, so he could pretty much just buff out the overspray.
Oh, okay.
Like you can't really see that well, but I saw it.
Oh, that's the side?
Like this side right here, it's gonna have a little bit of overspray. You see it? Feel it?
I don't know.
You can't see it?
No. I can't really see it.
Well, I see it, and it's gonna get fixed. Yeah, I don't like it. So.
Okay.
What happens at the body shop sometimes when they paint other cars?
Yeah.
They wrap the car, but sometimes it gets through to where it gets like oversprayed. It got done like at 4:30, 5 o'clock last night, and we were parking. And we're like, it doesn't. Nah, I can't.
Okay.
Oh, McLaren back, man. He said he got it washed, but that pollen in the air. I guess we hit the gym. You want to hit the gym, boy?
Gym time.
Gym time. Yeah, just stay close to me, just in case, you know.
Oh, okay.
Stay close.
I mean, I'm only in a track hawk.
Oh yeah, this smoke track hawk. Smoke a track hawk. Let's see how it sound. Cold start up. Hey Lord, he didn't put no gas. At the gym, man, the McLaren might be the last time y'all see it. It's time to move on, man. Taking a shot at that pump, that go wow. You know what I mean? I had 2 things of oatmeal. I've been up since 5, but I still feel kind of empty stomach. So let me knock some of that out. You don't want to take this stuff on the empty stomach. Whew. The reason I'm doing it like that, because I want to make sure I get my water in. I need to get in like a half gallon of water, so I don't want to just be sipping on that all day. Hit a little shoulders, triceps, something. You know what I mean? I'm keeping it covered up like a bodybuilder. Full clothes, 110 degrees. You know what I mean? Because I don't want nobody to feel bad that I'm super buff. Or I don't want them to call me a roid head because I'm veiny and muscles popping out. You know, I'm worried about other people, how they feel about my body. So that's why I cover up like this now. Like the rest of the bodybuilders. We don't want to make people feel bad. You know what I mean? So we fully clothed, 3 shirts, cover up all the you taking all the roids and protein powders for. Cover it up, man. It's like having the Lambo. Put that Lambo in the garage. Put that Lambo in the garage so it gets spider webs on it. You know, they don't.
Yeah.
Drive it once on Saturday or Sunday to a car meet for about an hour, then take it back in the garage. You know what I mean? That's how you do these cars. You know what I mean? I'm going against the grain. This is my daily driver. Gas, hey, bring it on, $12.
Jesus, don't say that.
Bring it on. Hey, it'll just step your hustle up. I wanted to get to that. It's got to step your hustle up. I'm gonna be
they feel
streaming.
like I'm robbing you.
I'm gonna be streaming. Hey, bro, $5, $4 is robbing Texas.
Yeah.
We been paying $4.
Yeah.
It's all perception. If you broke, you go feel it.
Yeah.
It's just. I learned when it was $5 when I was broke. I was cashing in coins. Like, how can I make some more money? Oh, let me start stripping more. Let me start trading more. This pressure. That's why I don't give a. It could be whatever it is. I'm gonna survive. I'm from the prison where black prison. What? I don't give a about the gas price. If you stress over it, it's gonna with you.
Yeah.
That.
Yeah.
I'm about to start streaming, make some extra more money. he can't stop a hustler, man. Ooh, look at that beauty. Pretty. Look at that hypey whitey music. That get me pumped up, bro. My strength coming back, bro. My testosterone is, the doctor said, extremely high. I had enough testosterone to be 4 men. I'm 4 men in one. I'm 4 men. Y'all go check your testosterone level. Look at this outfit, man. Clean. I'm about to bite it. I already got the sweatsuit.
Bite it, man.
But I got to get the shoes.
Yeah, you've been wanting these shoes for a minute now.
Well. Everybody getting that money. Yeah, we gonna work them kinks out, boy.
We're gonna work them
we
out.
Gonna work them kinks out.
Gonna work them out. Gonna work them out.
Ah. Eat. Ah. Summer 2022, here I come. Hide your bras. Glad I survived it. Cause I look at all these youngsters, boy, dumb swole, like, look like cartoon characters, like I did. Just look, I know they pumping synthetic stuff for their body. It just don't even look natural, you know what I mean? Like, you could be on juice and look natural. Skaters, bikers, a ton of people on juice look natural. But these motherfuckers, their muscles just puffy, but round, and it's just sad what they gonna have to deal with later on in life. And I don't have nobody to talk to like how I've talked to the viewers. It ain't even worth it, bro. If you go do anything like me, do like me. Wait till you're in your 30s, get on a little test if you need it, that's it. That bodybuilding is an experiment, bro. It's just an experiment. So most see how much it takes so they'll have data. If you take 5,000 milligrams a week of tests, you can look like this. You ain't gonna live long, but if you don't care about that, you can do it like this.
Oh, there he goes.
Just doing that the whole concert.
Hey, you want a little bit of X no Malcolm? You'll be doing that.
Oh, Malcolm.
Little X no Malcolm, you know.
Start calling it Malcolm. My already pumped, bro. Damn. Make him talk about you.
Bro, they already been talking
Make him
about
talk
me, bro.
about you.
I was trying to tone down how much I was on the videos, man, because they just can't stand me, bro.
They can't stand me neither. Welcome to the party.
I know, right? That's why we're good.
There you go, boy. Hypey Whitey getting ready for the LA Fit Expo. Y'all come out and see him, man. May 21st and 22nd. What's that? What happened? What?
I'm doing a show at the LA Fit Expo.
Hey, you are.
I'm doing a show.
Hey.
Yeah. It'll be cool. I'm doing a show, dog.
You are.
The Cali Muscle and Slim Milk Show.
Yeah.
I thought I was gonna be selling. I mean, I am gonna be selling stuff, but damn, little Swoley, little buff Swoley man here.
Hey, I'm back, boy. I'm back from the dead.
Yeah, you
boy.
never left.
I'm back from the dead.
You're living.
These heavy.
Good money, good money. Couldn't tell. Come on, let that white people music pump you up.
Oh yeah. You got to cut back on stuff. on buying that designer.
Oh, I'm already.
Cut back. I need that money.
Oh, I've already cut back.
As your trainer, your
Yeah.
psychiatrist,
Okay.
financial advisor.
Oh, okay. Damn, you're doing a lot for me.
Oh yeah, manager ain't got that though.
I'm gonna give you my firstborn kid too. How about that?
You what?
Firstborn kid. I'll give you my
Sound like a
firstborn.
plan. I need that social, man.
Oh,
I need a clean social.
Oh, okay, like your buddy Money Man's talking about?
Yeah,
Blockchain.
I need that clean social, man.
Okay.
We have him a house by the time he's 4, man.
4?
Oh
Can you
yeah,
do it
I'm
by
gonna run
3?
that credit. Oh, that's pushing it.
Let's push
Red
it, baby.
flags to go up.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we gotta do it by 4 years old.
Okay. We don't want so many inquiries, right?
No.
No, okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna make a credit card out of his name. Keep paying on it.
Right.
When he hit 4, $10 million house.
Damn.
With my training and my mentorship,
What's going on?
you ain't gonna need to be wearing all this fancy clothes and jewelry to the
What am I
gym.
gonna wear?
Basic, bro,
Naked?
black. One black sweatsuit for 4 years.
Jesus, it's gonna be stinky.
Well, no, you wash it every Sunday. When your off day, you'll work out.
Okay.
Yeah,
What do I do with the
so-
rest of my time?
You're in the gym. The rest of the day you
How
eat.
long?
Huh?
How long?
You gotta do 6 hours,
6?
baby.
That's what. Well, I got. I got another 18 hours. What do I
Right,
do?
you eating every hour.
Okay.
So it's 9 meals. That's 12 meals you need to get a day.
God damn.
Well, damn. What you mean by that?
I mean, so that's 18 meals?
12.
12. Because I'm already doing 11.
Hey, you gotta up it, baby.
That's why I'm like, damn, that's
Either you want it,
crazy.
you want it, you don't. Ain't no refunds on the trading.
No, I
Ain't
can't
no
get,
refund.
I can't get a refund like
No,
Nordstrom.
that's why I got it all up front.
Oh, okay, all up
My
front.
60,000 up front for the year.
Oh, okay.
You see what I'm saying?
You check in. How often do you check in with me?
When I feel like it. You know what I mean?
Okay.
When I feel like it.
All right, let's see it. Let's see it. Teach me how to lift. Like that? That's how you
Yep,
lift?
That's how you do it, baby.
Like that?
Keep
Okay.
that tension on it. Don't let it hit your thighs.
Okay. Okay.
Ah.
That's good money. Looking good, coach.
Oh, you know. Trying to teach you the right way, man.
Okay.
See what I'm saying? Tension.
Tension.
Pumping. Squeezing at the bottom. You see what I'm talking about? You gonna win that Arnold 2025, all right?
All right.
For no money, and we're gonna pump you full of synthetic. You hear me?
I hear you.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Rolly check on that, baby.
Yeah, yeah. Don't be
be
jealous.
jealous.
Okay. All right, coach. What's this do?
We pumping, homie. Getting you ready for that 2025 Arnold Classic. You hear me?
Okay.
You want to pump it.
Okay.
At the same time, don't relax it. You hear me?
Okay.
Keeping that tension on the bottom. You want that good horseshoe up in there, locked in, vascular, cut,
Okay.
striated.
Do I gotta look that intense?
You just won't quit, huh?
Quit what?
I mean, trying to race in that slow, man.
Slow.
Trying to race in that slow, man.
This? More horsepower?
Back at Pokey with that fresh fish. Ooh, we just got some pineapple. She was being skimpy with that pineapple.
Uh-huh.
You know what I mean? But that's all I need. Thanks for this day. Thanks for blessings. We ask you to continue watching over us, our finances, health, and wealth. Continue blessing our family that want to be blessed. We ask that you watch over our future or girls or kids. Amen. Go right on. Big boy. You need to be eating like this, boy. I heard at night, boy, you be at Krispy Kreme.
Really?
You know, I heard one of them employees DM me a picture of him at Krispy Kreme.
Oh yeah. You accepting DMs again?
Huh? Sometimes some people slide through. You see how this seaweed tastes? My white best friend, he got me on seaweed later. He say it's healthy.
He just said it tastes like the sea.
He said it's healthy.
Okay.
This addicting. Just the sour and the sweet put together. This is addicting. Anybody got anything fascinating?
DM me.
All business inquiry. And we talking money up top before we even get into anything else.
Click here to watch another awesome video from Cali Muscle. And if you support the channel, hit the subscribe button.